evangelist, pastor for that matter. She say she prefer women than men. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My beautiful people in the house, this topic today, now two topic I want to talk about today. Two topic because there are some kind of video where you go see, you go shock, because these two women, they make me laugh. Like, the thing, they surprise me. What even make the first woman now, when I want talk about this one, evangelist, pastor for that matter. She say she prefer women than men. He said, "I'm waiting. She did like." He said because that is the thing. Called the surprise. They interviewed the woman of God, though, for Kenya. He said, "Now women, now she they follow. She prefer them than men, you know." So when I come to this thing, I can't pick something for this. Yeah, this woman saying a pastor, she na a woman of God. Okay, what do you come to preach to people now for church? Okay, you they preach to them, say maybe they like women and be waiting. Me, I don't understand really, because this woman, they see they need to re-interview her again, because the thing they surprise me. Saying prefer women than men, you know. Then they come ask and say why, because she gets children. He say if he married before your husband come me. He say she fell married before, you know. So I go just put small. I go put the video more on list is small. Whether should they talk, whether it makes sense or not, me I don't understand, because I never see where a woman go say he prefer women than men. I never hear that kind of thing before. I don't know where that kind of thing for the happen, you know. So when I say this one, the one the way they make the thing, they surprise me. Say this woman a pastor for that matter, for Kenya. So what you come make this woman saying like women than men, and you na woman of God? So what you come they preach for people for church now? You they tell them for church say make them like they like women, because that kind of church now be say many women to woman or your food that kind of church now, understand now. So then the woman who they interview, I can't tell and say for Bible they not talk say Adam na he eat that apple. They say Adam and Eve. And so with the woman tell them when they interview her. Say na Adam and Eve, not be Adam to Adam. So why it can't be say this your own now can't be a woman to woman, and you say you na woman of God, you they preach? So what you can they preach to members for your church now? Because now they cause this thing where be say so many people will say to go church self retire there, because you now will say you na pastor. See what you they do. So what you now go come tell your children? What you now go come tell your member for church? Say men that they like women to women or men to men. Me I don't understand, because I don't see where they for Bible where God for agree. Men that they do that kind of thing. Even the Bible where God say like say this thing is not good. So me not come know where this woman now for the reading your own Bible where it say she like woman to woman. Me, I don't understand that part, my people. That make I bring this topic, say I beg. I go need an opinion for this thing, una comment, because I never see where somebody could just wake up one morning saying they like woman to woman. So the thing they surprise me, my people. I wanna reason this thing really, because the thing it they surprise me. I never see where somebody could just wake up in the morning saying like woman to woman. So now waiting. When me see the video, I shocked her eyes really. I go just play small more now listing, because the thing see the rig bell, like it surprised me, because me never see where that kind of thing for the apple, you know. So
touch of a woman to means a lot. You miss this, I tell you. Love, that's love which you can never break. And I'm attracted to people, and mostly women. How did you realize? You know what? Me, I'm not attracted to men. I'm attracted to women. Also, having been married before and having sons and daughters. At what point did you realize? Nah, me, I want females in my life. After the death of my husband and all the struggle in the marriage is when I came to realize that I love women. It was a struggle because I was not comfortable with him, especially in secret things. I cannot tell by now, but it was a struggle. And he was so harsh, so cruel. And I was looking for that touch of a woman, that love, that care, hospitality. I persevered until death because of my mom. Because of my mom. I didn't like to embarrass my mom, but I was unhappy. For how many years were you unhappy? 25 years. I thank God for my daughter, whom I love so much. She stood with me and she spoke with me boldly and told me, Mom, I know you. And many times when I go out, she knows I never go alone. I go with a lady, with a woman. At home, she finds me with the ladies, with women. She was like, I'm behind you, Mom, because I love you. She knows how we pass through difficulties and hardship together. And she told me she will pray together with me. My firstborn, who is now 3 years old, he told me that, Mommy, I will care for you. For he has never seen me with a man since Daddy left. Is now 11 years. And he told me, since you said it and I've never seen you with a man, we support Mom, you. We will support you. Awesome. Because you can never change that which is in you.
Una the year what she dey talk with her own mouth. Say he prefer women than men. But people, what you think about this video? You will watch me now. Just leave your comments for the comment section for this number 1 topic. The second topic again, my people. This one say she dey pay men, make they come jogodo with her. He say na wetin she like to dey do. He say she dey pay men, he go pay them. They go come jogodo with her. He say na wetin she dey do. She no dey like to. She no dey like. She no get boyfriend. This one a Ghana woman again, oh, Ghana woman. He say she dey like to pay men, make they come jogodo with her. I for say make I play the record, but I don't know whether YouTube go like am because of the words which she used, you know. So the thing, the thing they shockalize me, like the thing they surprise me. Say, what's it called the apple for this world, really, like seriously. So this woman and office say, this woman said, if you even look at, she don't mature, she don't be small picking again. She says she they like to pay men, make they come jogodo with her. Now say, where this thing for the apple, like seriously, really. Okay, does it mean say you now not gonna see man now when you want just date, like you just say now your boyfriend though, if you don't want marry as you old rich, you can't say you just like to the jogodo with men, with you just they pay them, they'll come jogodo with you for house. If you pay 2 or 3, they'll just come. They say now what is she like to the do this one apple for Ghana, my people. You know, when I see the video, I shocked her. It's like seriously, what it called the apple for this world, my people. So kind story where you go hear like this, your ear, you like seriously, really, really. wetin come dey happen, wetin dey play, my people, wetin dey play really, wetin dey play. So na the matter wey dey ground, these two topics. So wetin una think, my beautiful people in the house, wetin una think about this topic? Because the thing dey surprise me. The thing like e dey do me for belle meme. E dey get the way e dey do me, like the thing dey surprise me. Say a woman go say the pastor saying like to dey follow women like the other one saying they pay she dey pay men make dem come dey jogodo with her. So my beautiful people in the house, wetin you think about this video? Wetin you think? You think say this woman dey do the right thing? You think say this woman dey do this thing wey she dey do na good thing? You think am like that? You reason am like that, my people? You reason am like that? The thing dey surprise me, So anything wey you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section, and always put thumbs up for me anytime you watch my video, please. And always subscribe for me if you have not subscribed. If you don't know how to subscribe, you can just press, that red line where they did there, just press am. If you press the red line, then you can press the notification, because I don't feel they share my videos. Some people want me to special and give them. So just go, if you press the notification, you'll get the notification anytime I upload any video. You must get the notification. But if you don't press it, you will not get the notification, So always press it so that you will be get. If you press now, it will give you 3 button. So that 3 button are the first one that you go press. So after you press the first one, then that be say. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe.